Hi, today we're painting some gorgeous autumn reflections and colours. I'm using a small mottler brush to add a few soft clouds, but any soft brush would do. For the trees, I'm painting the silhouette with the size 8 round, and then I'm using a small stippler to blend the colours together. Don't worry if the colours look too dark, as we'll come back with extra colour and highlights later. The base colour for the water doesn't need to have much detail at all. We'll just block out the colours and then we can glaze over them with other colours later. I'm using a small chisel blender to glaze colours over the water area. You can thin your paint using water or a medium and slowly build up the glazes and colours until you get a look that you're happy with. I'm mixing a nice dark red colour to paint the base coat for the tree. And again, using my stippler and small round brush, I'm going to build up the colours and detail. Here are some other videos that I think you might like to watch next. See you next time.